it's not.
Did you eat a...
What do you think?
Yeah.
What's funny?
I don't know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with
Sarah.
So yeah, this is my daughter.
Yes.
And you guys already know her because she's on this channel. Like, I always do her hair. So today she has this nice hair she made herself. She's been rocking this hair since like last week.
Yeah.
Sunday, right?
Yes, Sunday.
Yeah. Oh, today is Saturday, and the last week, the Sunday of last week. So like a week now. So she's like, "Oh, mom, I can do this on your hair." I'm like, "Are you sure?"
Yes.
Like, so we are here to find out. So yeah, she's gonna style me like this. She did a low kind of bun.
It's like in the middle.
Yeah, and she put some hair that I have left. This hair is from, I don't know. I'll find her out. I'll find out where this hair is from. So she's gonna I have another one here. Let them see it. So yeah, I have one here. So she's going to use it today and turn me into her. She's gonna turn me into her.
Yes.
So yeah, so okay, so Sarah has a channel, a YouTube channel, and it's called
It's Sarah.
So she's there doing her own thing. So guys, just stop by and check it out. She can style her hair a lot, so she does that a lot, and she does a lot of talking and all that. So yeah, so now let's just get right into this video.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. Right into this video. So guys, basically the way I'm gonna start is by putting her hair in like half, because it's easier to do, because like obviously our hair's not that long. So like behind the little, like, can you say from here to like,
Is it how you did yours?
yeah, it's in 2 parts. Well, actually it's in 3 parts, because at the front I kind of want to swoop.
Okay, so guys, I washed my hair yesterday and I put them in 2 cornrows. Then later I used the hand dryer to blow dry it a little to stretch out.
This is not very precise at the moment. I'm just gonna make it more.
Look! No, he's so jealous. He said that you don't want your sister touch my hair. Guys, see what we go through. Like today that we plan to do this video. Sorry.
So guys, like you can see, I've parted her hair. It's like doesn't have to be visible. So we're just gonna grab, like, I like thick bubbles because they don't snap as easily. So I'm just gonna put this in a little pony for now. We're just gonna put everything in pots first, because that's just how I like doing it. And then obviously, because I want to get, because at the front I kind of want to swoop, like just a small one though, not too big. And so I'm gonna have to like find a way where to put it. Do you want a side part in? Or
yeah, just want it like that.
Okay, so I'm gonna put a side part in. I like to get the part in straight, because after a few days you've had the hair in, it might, like, the part might cover up, so it needs to be very sharp.
That looks straight.
Does it? Okay.
You did yours like.
Did I?
Okay.
Okay. So like this. So this is where the parting's gonna be. So I'm just gonna put it in a braid, just a quick one.
Is that what you did to yours?
Yeah.
Really?
I said it a pot.
Oh, because I didn't see you doing it actually.
You weren't here.
Yeah.
It like doesn't have to be clean or anything. So guys, like you can see, I've just put this in that little section, and we're just gonna grab another thick bubble and put this here. And if I am using thin bubbles, which is like, it's not my favorite to do, but if I am, I'm just gonna like double them, because then it doesn't snap as easily, because thin bubbles snap. Now you can see I've got it in basically 3 parts, like one small one. Just so yeah. So I'm gonna grab our gel. So, and then I've got this brush. It's like really good for slicking hair.
Why did you use this one?
That's face than this.
Oh, okay.
And then I've got this Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one, the green one. So yeah. just a big tub, just a normal one you can get from your local beauty supply store. And so yeah, basically we're just gonna take out. So we're just gonna take out this one. We're gonna do this and then this and then this. So like you can see, I've got some gel in my hands, and we're just gonna start. I like to start from here. Yeah, so basically we're just gonna start with the roots because I don't know, that's just what I've been doing. Like this. So then guys, I'm just gonna get like this big thick brush and I'm just gonna start slicking it because I think that the gel I use for the roots should be enough to kind of spread out. You can see it's slicking, but then the curls kind of springing back. I'm gonna grab, where's the gel? I'm gonna grab more gel for the back, which is like, I love when the back's slick. Now I've got this other little slicking brush. I'm just gonna grab all the hair, slick. Yeah, now you can see like that. I just need like a few more like finger bits of gel.
How does it look? Nice?
Yeah, it looks nice. Nice. So yeah. Now I'm not like, once you put it in a ponytail, it's not gonna be as thick as when you didn't. So you're just gonna grab this little brush and just do a little, like the bits that you're not really, like, you know, they're on the best.
See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man.
So now I'll just put it in a bun.
Let's see your face.
Let's see from the side. On the side, like that. Like you can see the puff. That's why I wanted my mum to blow dry her hair. There's a little bit sticking out. Blow dry her hair because I don't want, what is it called?
You don't want it to be like bulky.
Yeah.
Like which parts? Like here?
Like here would be bulky if I didn't do it.
Okay.
And then I wanted
no, but you know, you can actually slick it down without it blow drying, unless of course maybe because you want to you don't want to use too much gel. Like you're not gonna use a lot of gel now.
Yeah.
Cut my hair off. Oh my god, I lost hair there now.
So guys, I'm just gonna take this bit out because we're gonna be doing this. And with this bit, I'm not gonna be using like gel as much. I'm just gonna be using some jam. What is it? Jam. So now I've got this little section of hair. We're gonna refresh the pattern
because you're the one doing this video,
yes.
So you have to edit it. So that everything you want to be in the video can be in the video, because you I know the one that is editing all your video on your channel. So do this one now.
But then this is good on my channel.
But you're the one that is making my hair now, so you're making my hair now. So you
I guess I'll be editing.
Yeah, you should be editing.
So guys, you can comment down below how my editing skills are. So, and we're gonna be using a little bit gel, just a little bit of gel, and then we're gonna be using jam, because the jam is just to like separate the part. Like, I don't know how to explain it. We'll just see. And then I've got some just gel in my fingers. This is just to smooth out the front, because the front is like a one big thing for me. Same with the back. I'm just like, and we're gonna be using the smaller. Why is the smaller brush there? I'm gonna be using the smaller brush because it swoops. I just like love swoops. Like, I don't know. But anyway, this. And then we're just gonna use this to define, like, because jam holds better than aqua styler, but it's a little bit more oily. But
see the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping it low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long.
Then we're just gonna grab again. I keep saying grab. I'm gonna get this brush here. Things. Just to get it all like gel. Now we're gonna move on to the weave. My mom's like already blow dried it and brushed it.
Well, that's actually the texture. It's just that it has been under like stuff. I just bought that from like under stuff.
And it's been washed as well.
Yeah, it's washed. So
yeah. I'm just gonna brush it one more time just to make sure all the tangles are out of there. Did you put any oils in it?
Where's the scar?
No oils, just
Where's the
natural.
scar?
Yeah? So I've got
it's a yaki texture. Yaki texture.
okay?
Or is it kinky? No, it's
I think
yaki.
it's cute.
I think it's yaki.
I don't know the difference.
Well, I'll look for the information.
I like to have mine like this. Like this is like how I like to wrap
Did
it.
you double the layers? Sorry,
Yeah.
did you double the weft?
It's triple.
Oh, okay. 4. Like 4 layers.
4, yeah. 4.
4 what's it called?
I forgot.
4. Well,
She'll write it here if you. Oh wait, I'm the one editing.
I think it's 4. I think it's it's like you. Okay, the layers of the weave is in 4 places. Is that better?
So like 4 tracks.
Yeah, 4 tracks. Yeah.
So I'm just brushing it again because like I just separated. Guys, I'm actually quite happy with the result of this video so far. Let's just continue and see how it goes. Because well, actually my mum says it's quite short, but I'm not sure. I'll try my best to braid it, and then I can wrap it around. Just like here, and then this one is not. So I'm just gonna grab a little chunk like this, like a strand of hair like this, and wrap it around. I really like it because it sheds but not as much. And I'm just gonna grab one bobby pin to secure that strand. Drop once, wrap. Well, basically wrap until the hair's finished.
Sarah,
Yeah?
when you did yours, it was so fast. Like before I knew you've done it. Why is mine taking so much time?
I don't know. That's a question I will never answer.
Is it because you're making like video or something?
No, I actually, yeah, when you make a video it takes longer. So we're gonna get another strand of hair and just wrap it. Oh no, I've done it. And you repeat this one because not all the tracks went into place.
Why?
I don't know. The one in the middle fell. So we're gonna grab another strand and then go the other way. Just to cover the track. Oh my god. Cover the tracks. And then I'm gonna get another bobby pin and secure this. I'm just gonna push this in.
Is it funny?
No, not fully. At first I thought it was going in, then it just stopped. Now we just push that in, and now we've got a pony. Just gonna brush this a little because I'm not even doing. I keep brushing this hair. Just the ends. That's what I do every morning with this hair. Like when you've got it in, I just brush the ends.
When are you doing my baby hairs now?
After this, I just like showing guys. Ooh. There's one thing I like doing with the hair that makes the hair pop is like I take like a little bit of chunk of hair and then curl it, makes it curl with the edge brush as well, or you can use your hand. It's too much hair. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it. So this amount of hair should do that. Like basically it's already doing it. Now you grab the brush and just put gel on it. Grab your finger and twist it around. A little bit. Now another one on this side.
On this side
But
too.
there's one thing I am very bad at doing is getting the same amount of hair on each of these sides. And wrap it around. This one turned out better.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
can see the curl. But
why is my own coil hanging?
yeah, exactly. If your hair was longer, it would be like more.
Oh, so your own hair is longer.
Ish. Naturally, my hair's kind of like this as well.
Okay, so what are we doing next?
So now, like you can see the curls. Wow! The curls are kind of popping. And then I think we're just gonna do some edges. And before I do edges on this hair, like I did this one as well, I take hair, like the hair I know I'm using for edges. For that, I'm using for edges. This, ooh.
I'm feeling myself.
This little hair, edges. And then just one at the top.
Oh, okay. Is that what you do?
Yeah, I know which one I'm using. And then we'll just, get this out of the way. And then we're just going to take this end and swoop. This one's actually good. And then we're going to take this one, which this one should be good. Cause
take it easy. My skin is going to come off.
This. I think I'm gonna get you down.
Yes.
What? It's like your skin.
It's kind of
there. Looks better, I think.
Okay. So
your edges don't pop.
Get out.
No. And I'm just gonna. This one doesn't have much hair, but it's okay. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Yeah. A little bit. Yeah. And now we've got her edges. Wait, can you zoom in? No, keep
Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I'm a pretty fine Winston. Nah.
I'm not so dead. So guys, this is the finished look, and my mom did some makeup as well just to make everything kind of go together. And yeah, it's like this is beautiful, and it's like the hair is like really nice, everything's just nice, and I'm really proud of myself. And what are your comments on this hairstyle?
Actually, you tried, but wait, do you look like me now? Let's see. Do you look? Let me see if you look like me now.
No.
What do you think?
Yeah.
I'm suffocating.
Sorry. You actually?
Yeah.
Hi.
This is so embarrassing.
That was so scary. I thought you
said you didn't.
So no, so my ear just dropped because earring is falling off.
Yes.
I beg you.
I thought your ear rip, you know.
Yeah, rip.
Yeah, I know how to edit that bit.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Comment, share, subscribe. What?
So guys, if you like this kind of video, like this video and make a comment down in the comment section.
Oh,
did she try? Did she do a good job?
Yeah, she used to be.
What do you think? Did she do a nice job? Oh, please rate this video, give it a thumbs up,
and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, because like it's the best YouTube channel ever. It's even better than hers actually. So
you are hereby banned from my YouTube channel.
Not.
So, okay, so guys, bye.
Bye.